are several possible reasons why retail stores have removed advertising corkboards. Firstly, the increasing use of online platforms by customers to find businesses reduces the effectiveness of traditional advertising methods like corkboards. Secondly, the corkboards could become cluttered and unsightly, detracting from the store's overall appearance. Thirdly, the store may be liable if someone falls or injures themselves while using the corkboards. Fourthly, the corkboards allow businesses to promote their services within the store, potentially competing with the store's own employees. Fifthly, using the corkboards required employees to climb on ladders or stools, which could pose a safety hazard. Sixthly, the corkboards occupied valuable space that could be used for other revenue-generating activities, such as product displays or shelving. Seventhly, the store may want to maintain a consistent brand image across its locations, which may not include corkboards. While it is possible that the removal of corkboards could reduce work for store-employed electricians, it is unlikely to be a significant factor. Most large retail stores contract with external electrical companies for major electrical work, and corkboards are not a primary source of business for these electricians. These reasons are generally applicable to any retail environment. Considering each point in detail offers a clearer understanding of the underlying motivations. Digitalization has fundamentally changed how consumers search for services. Online platforms provide immediate access to a wide array of options, complete with reviews and comparisons, something a physical corkboard cannot offer. Furthermore, maintaining an organized and visually appealing store is crucial for attracting customers. Cluttered or poorly maintained corkboards can negatively impact the store's image, potentially deterring shoppers. Liability concerns are a significant consideration for businesses. Any potential hazard, such as a customer tripping near a corkboard, can lead to legal action. Removing the boards eliminates this risk. The presence of external businesses advertising within a store can create a conflict of interest. The store may prefer to promote its own services or partnerships rather than allowing competitors to gain exposure. Employee safety is paramount. Tasks such as reaching high to post or remove cards can lead to accidents and injuries. Eliminating the need for these tasks reduces the risk of workplace incidents. Space within a retail store is valuable and should be used to maximize revenue. Corkboards occupy wall space that could be used for product displays, promotional materials, or additional shelving. Consistency in branding is essential for maintaining a strong brand identity. A uniform appearance across all store locations reinforces brand recognition and creates a cohesive customer experience. The impact on store electricians is likely minimal. Major electrical work is typically outsourced to specialized companies, and the demand for minor electrical services, such as fan installations, is not significantly affected by the presence or absence of corkboards. Retail stores continually evaluate their operations to improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and minimize risks. The decision to remove advertising corkboards is likely a result of these ongoing assessments. Digital marketing strategies are now the primary focus for many businesses. Investing in online advertising and search engine optimization provides a more effective way to reach potential customers than traditional methods. Regular maintenance of corkboards can be time-consuming and costly. Employees must spend time organizing, updating, and removing outdated materials. The cost of materials, such as tacks and paper, also adds up over time. By eliminating corkboards, stores can streamline their operations and reduce overhead costs. The potential for misuse of corkboards is another consideration. Inappropriate or offensive content could be posted, creating a negative experience for customers. Monitoring and moderating the content of corkboards requires additional resources and effort. Stores may also want to control the types of messages displayed to ensure they align with their brand values. This level of control is easier to achieve through other advertising channels. The removal of corkboards may also be part of a broader effort to modernize the store's environment. Retail spaces are constantly evolving to incorporate new technologies and design trends. Removing outdated fixtures and replacing them with more contemporary elements can create a more appealing shopping experience. The decision to remove cork boards is often a strategic one, driven by a combination of factors rather than a single reason. Stores carefully weigh the costs and benefits of each element of their operations to determine the best course of action. This includes evaluating the effectiveness of different advertising methods and their impact on the overall customer experience. Ultimately, the goal is to create a retail environment that is both efficient and appealing to customers. Stores are always looking for ways to improve their bottom line. Removing cork boards may be one small step in a larger effort to reduce costs and increase revenue. The changing landscape of retail requires stores to be adaptable and innovative. Embracing new technologies and strategies is essential for staying competitive. Removing cork boards is just one example of how stores are adapting to the changing needs of their customers. Stores must also consider the impact of their decisions on their employees. Removing tasks that are potentially hazardous or time-consuming can improve employee morale and productivity. By creating a safer and more efficient work environment, stores can attract and retain talented employees. In addition to the reasons already mentioned, some stores may have removed cork boards due to concerns about environmental sustainability. Traditional cork boards are often made from materials that are not easily recyclable. By eliminating cork boards, stores can reduce their environmental impact and promote more sustainable practices. Stores are increasingly aware of the importance of corporate social responsibility. Taking steps to reduce their environmental footprint can enhance their brand image and attract customers who are concerned about sustainability. The removal of cork boards may also be part of a larger effort to create a more accessible shopping environment for people with disabilities. Cork boards that are placed too high or too low can be difficult for people with mobility impairments to reach. By eliminating cork boards, stores can ensure that all customers have equal access to information and services. Stores are committed to providing a welcoming and inclusive environment for all customers. Taking steps to improve accessibility can enhance the overall shopping experience. The decision to remove cork boards is often a complex one, involving a careful consideration of many factors. Stores must weigh the costs and benefits of each element of their operations to determine the best course of action. Ultimately, the goal is to create a retail environment that is both efficient, sustainable, and appealing to customers. Digitalization continues to reshape the retail industry, prompting stores to adapt their strategies to meet the evolving needs of consumers. The rise of e-commerce and mobile shopping has created new challenges and opportunities for brick-and-mortar stores. To stay competitive, stores must offer a unique and engaging shopping experience that cannot be replicated online. This includes creating a visually appealing environment, providing personalized service, and offering a wide selection of products. Stores are also investing in new technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality to enhance the customer experience. These technologies can allow customers to try on clothes virtually, visualize furniture in their homes, or explore different design options. The retail industry is constantly evolving, and stores must be willing to experiment with new ideas to stay ahead of the curve. Removing cork boards is just one small example of how stores are adapting to the changing landscape. In addition to the factors already mentioned, some stores may have removed cork boards due to concerns about security. Cork boards can be used to post messages or advertisements that are not authorized by the store. This could include promotions for competing businesses or even malicious content. By eliminating cork boards, stores can control the types of messages that are displayed in their stores and prevent unauthorized advertising. Stores are committed to providing a safe and secure environment for their customers and employees. Taking steps to prevent unauthorized advertising can help to protect their brand image and prevent potential security breaches. The removal of cork boards may also be part of a larger effort to streamline the store's operations. Cork boards can be time-consuming to maintain, and they may not be an effective way to reach customers. By eliminating cork boards, stores can free up staff to focus on other tasks, such as customer service and inventory management. Stores are always looking for ways to improve their efficiency and reduce their operating costs. Streamlining their operations can help them to improve their profitability and provide better value to their customers. The decision to remove cork boards is often a difficult one, but it is one that stores must make in order to stay competitive in today's rapidly changing retail environment. By carefully considering the costs and benefits of each element of their operations, stores can make informed decisions that will help them to achieve their goals. Ultimately, the goal is to create a retail environment that is both efficient, secure, and appealing to customers. Stores are continually innovating and adapting to the changing needs of their customers.